Okay, so here's another common question. Can you drink lemon water while you're fasting? So this is a pretty easy one. The answer is yes. You definitely can drink lemon water while you're fasting, and you can still get 99% of the health benefits that you would otherwise get. Obviously that's kind of a made-up statistic, the 99%, but basically it's fine to drink something like lemon water, and here's why. If you just squeeze a bit of lemon into your water, like say a fourth of a lemon, then you end up with something like 4 calories and 1 gram of sugar, 1 gram of carbohydrates or sugar. And that's a low enough amount that it's pretty much negligible. You can pretty much just not even worry about that, unless you're trying to do a super strict fast because you want to get some of those, really special benefits like autophagy, if you've heard of autophagy, for example. If you're trying to maximize your autophagy, which is kind of a cellular spring cleaning where your body recycles old proteins and this and that. So if you're trying to boost something like that, then yeah, maybe you want to do an even cleaner, even stricter fast. But otherwise, basically any other health benefit that you're trying to get, you can still get it and drink something like lemon water. No problem. Now, what about lemon juice? That's a big difference from lemon water to lemon juice. So remember I said a cup of lemon water probably has about 1 gram of sugar. Well, a cup of lemon juice has about 20 grams of sugar. That's a lot more, in case you weren't sure. So at that point, you're not really fasting anymore because that's a bunch of sugar. So anytime you start drinking a bunch of sugar, you're not fasting anymore. There's no such thing as juice fasting. And that's because if you're drinking juice, you're not fasting. So drinking a bunch of sugar is definitely something that breaks a fast. So don't go having a bunch of lemon juice. But if you're just having that one where it's a few drops of lemon juice in your cup of water, or you squeeze a little bit of lemon into your water, no problem. Totally fine. You can still get tons of health benefits. So I actually wrote a really detailed blog post about this as well. So I'll put a link to it in the video description. So if you want to really get into the details and understand it better, then I'll put a link there and you can read that on my website, which is called FastingWell.com. I also have a podcast where I walk you through step by step exactly how to get started as a beginner with fasting. So if you want to learn, just step by step how to do that, very beginner friendly, then go ahead and check out the FastingWell podcast, and I'll put a few links to that in the video description as well on different platforms like Apple and Spotify and whatnot. By the way, I'm a physician assistant, which is similar to a doctor. I work in the emergency room and I've done family practice, and I've spent a ton of time learning about fasting and nutrition so that I can help you improve your health. And so that's what I'm trying to share. So please share this video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.